On the 29th of March sibe ne-solar eclipse eyenzeke ku-Aries. U-Aries is about ama-new beginnings. When these shift zenzeka, it nudges you forward in life, whether you are aware or not. If kukhona into eyenzekayo kuma-planets, kukhona i-movement of any sort, iyaku-affecta. It's important ukuthi wazi so that uzo-eliminate ama-causes to the problems that you are facing, because most of the time siba stereotypical ukuthi ama-problems adalwa into A1 or 1 and 2, not realizing ukuthi there's a whole lot of other things ezenzekayo. So this solar eclipse ekade yenzeka i-affecte kakhulu abantu, but on the positive side, because kuba ne-shift, you feel like you are losing a footing empilweni yakho, awazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni, as if you are waking up. So njengoba ibiku-Aries yenza ukuthi kube nama-beginnings amasha, kube nezinto ezintsha eziqalekayo. It's a right time if ufuna ukusukumisa i-project or you initiate something or anything. Ngike ngezwa omunye ubaba ethi kune-solar eclipse ebekade ikhona eyayi ku-Aries, because u-Aries is in the beginning, and then he initiated a business, and now it's 3 years down the line business yakhe ihamba kahle kakhulu. And uzothola ukuthi abantu abaningi abanamabhizinisi in other cultures benze astrology for ama-businesses wabo, down to numbering, or maybe address, you choosing a certain number and whatnot, because all of these things, they are energy. So le ekade ikhona, if you find ukuthi kunama-changes owabonayo empilweni yakho, it's because of le ekade ikhona manje, esekumele ukuthi because i-energy yakhona njengoba iqalile yashifta, wena you need to move along and understand ukuthi kwenziwe yiyona ukuthi impilo ishintshe ngale ndlela, and do not second guess yourself ukuthi maybe you did something wrong. If it's opening doors for you, that's a beginning of a new life. That is a change, because life is all about changing. For you to grow, you need to change.